Hi, this is Jason from Finale Inventory. Today I'm going to show you how to print QR codes using the Finale software. What is a QR code? A QR code, or a quick response code, is a type of barcode that can be read easily by a digital device and stores information using patterns of black dots and white spaces arranged in a square grid. What's the difference between a barcode and a QR code? A QR code can do everything a barcode can, but a barcode can only be read in one direction, while a QR code can be read in two, which means you can store more data within the label. To print a QR code in Finale, first navigate to the Finale homepage, then go to Products, select the product you'd like to print the QR code for, navigate to the Product Reports column, select Print QR Code Labels, input the number of labels you want printed, and there you have it, QR codes in Finale. If you have any additional questions, email us over at service@finaleinventory.com. Thank you.